Can you, what would you need from Sam for this not to be an issue for you?
I think it comes across, honestly, Sam, the tone that you use. You don't use the same tone with, Frank over there. It only seems to be directed at me. Yeah, I talk loudly on the phone. I get a bit passionate. And it's not all the time. Let's be honest.
Okay, so I'm going to pause you there. What are you hearing there, Sam?
That she wants me to change my tone of voice.
Mm-hmm. How do you feel about that?
If it wasn't a frustrating situation, I could change it.
Okay.
But frustration sounds like that.
Okay.
And that's what I'm frustrated at. Because I've asked her to keep her voice down. She won't do it.
Okay.
Therefore, it escalates.
So then you get frustrated and then your
tone
will come.
My tone of voice changes.
Okay. What are you hearing Sam say?
That I talk too loud.
And what else did you hear?
That's all.
Could you just briefly explain that?
It might not start off with a negative tone of voice, but I get frustrated because I ask you to keep your voice down. You don't keep it down. I get frustrated and my tone of voice changes.
What are you hearing there, Mike?
She gets frustrated with me. Sorry, he gets frustrated with me. And that's why the tone of voice changes.
Okay. So what's your response to that?
I hear it, but will I take it on board? Will I change that? Maybe, maybe not. That's who I am. I talk loud on the phone. Nobody else seems to complain.
Let's just keep between the two of you. This is only going to work today if you're both willing to look at what you can both offer each other. It's not about changing who you are or your personality. It's about looking at what is going to work here that you're comfortable to offer, that's going to make your relationship more harmonious in the workplace.
Okay. So do you think I talk loudly on the phone all of the time, or is it just certain times?
Actually, it's all of the time. I know you don't mean to, but it's just the way you talk. So that's why I like to work from home all the time.
Okay.
Because I think it's like impossible to change, because that's just the way you talk. And there's no other place I can work here. This is the only place I can work in here.
Okay.
So I will not be angry or frustrated if we don't have the thing to be frustrated about, which is the tone of voice.
So what are you hearing Sam say there?
Oh, that she wants to work from home because she doesn't like my tone of voice when I'm on the phone.
Is that what you're saying?
Yeah, I'm just saying, if you can not talk loudly, I won't get frustrated and you won't have to put up with my angry tone of voice.
Okay. So what I'm hearing, what were you going to say?
I feel like you want to come back as a negotiator and say, okay, I have to be quiet every time I'm on the phone.
Just stay and roll. What I'm hearing is that this could potentially work if there was some willingness to adjust to some degree. So you're saying that you would be more mindful of your tone.
Yes.
If Mai was more mindful of her volume.
That's right.
How do you feel about that? And again, it's not about changing who you are.
No, it's working collaboratively together, I suppose.
It's just being a little bit adjusting for each other. Considering each other.
Okay.
So
well, I'll stop that if we both do it.
Yeah.
Maybe it'll work.
okay, that's a nice offer. How do you feel about that? How hard?
I will try. Yeah, exactly. How hard will it be? So, as you would know, I talk loudly on the phone all the time. So I will try to reduce my tone on the phone.
Okay.
Yes.
I think it's more the volume.
Oh, the volume. Okay, sorry. I will.
Yeah, your volume.